everyone, welcome to Circle Time. Today we're uploading a pre-recorded Circle Time, but tomorrow we'll have our Zoom Circle Time, so I hope you can join us. If you can't join us for Zooming, we'll go ahead and record it so you can watch it just like you're watching it today. So let's go ahead and get started with our Circle Time, and let's look at today's date. Today is December 14th, 2020. And let's sing our Days of the Week song. Are you ready to sing with me? Here we go. Days of the week. Days of the week. Clapping those hands.
Days of the week.
Days of the week. Days of the week. There's
Sunday
Sunday
and
and
there's
there's
Monday.
Monday.
There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday.
There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Your turn.
Days of the week.
Clap those hands.
Days of the week. Days of the week.
Days of the week. Clap, clap. Sing it.
There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday.
Days of the week. Clap, clap.
Days of the week.
Clap, clap.
Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Clap, clap. And today is the 14th, so it is Monday, December 14th, 2020. Uh-oh. You know what? I love that song, but we're not singing it right now. What kind of weather do we have outside today? Well, unfortunately, it is rainy. Rainy sky. But what about tomorrow? Let's put our predictions in for tomorrow. I hear some sunny with clouds. Let's put it right there. Partly sunny. Let's say our alphabet together. Is everybody ready? Let's sing it together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? All right, we're counting to 10. Are you ready? Let's get ready. Warming up those brains. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. All right, let's count backwards. We're going to count. Be so quiet. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Excellent. All right, look at the letters in my word white. What color are they? They disappeared because everything is white. That's right. Everything is white. All right, let's look at some more colors. What color is this? Orange. How about this one? Black. What color is this? Brown. What are some things that are brown? Do you remember? Tell me a couple things. How about right here? What color is this? Pink. This color. Red. And what emotion do we see with red? Anger. Is it okay to be angry? Yes. Is it okay to hit when we're angry? No. Is it okay to say mean things when we're angry? No. We're allowed to feel angry, but we're not allowed to act on it. How about this color? What color is that? Green. Yes. And what emotion is that? Disgust. How about this color? Purple. And who's that? Fear. This color? Yellow. And this is joy. That's right. Right down here, what color? Blue. We have Cookie Monster. And what emotion? Sadness. Yeah. Our shape? What shape is that? An oval. That's right. Excellent job, friends. How about this shape? It's the hard one. If you said triangle, you are right, and I like how hard you're working. Thank you. How about this shape? Rectangle. It's tricky. Triangle, rectangle. They both have that angle in it. But this is a rectangle. It has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Let's take a look at that video.
Storybots. Your boombox is shaped like a rectangle. It sounds like 1, 2. Train, car, fish tank, skyscraper, wooden plank, picnic table, loaf of bread, fluffy pillow, twin bed, swimming pool, bale of hay, lunchroom, food tray, deck of cards, drawing pad, school diploma, paper bag, soccer field, tennis court, hockey goal, scoreboard, chocolate cake, that face great. It's got 4 sides, got 4 corners. Sides can be long, sides can be shorter, but every corner's at a right angle. That's a rectangle. That's a rectangle. TV, refrigerator, piece of paper, elevator, movie ticket, movie screen, box of candy, drink machine, building block, apple crate, book cover, pencil case, stick of butter, stick of gum, fluffy pillow, this is fun, bar of soap, parking spot, graham cracker, thanks a lot, you're welcome. It's got 4 sides, got 4 corners. Sides can be long, sides can be shorter, but every corner's at a right angle. That's a rectangle. That's a rectangle. That's a rectangle. Let's talk more about that chocolate cake. Yum.
They are so silly. They liked that chocolate cake, didn't they? Does look good. All right. How about this shape? What is it? Heart. Here, octagon. What's this shape? Square. Yes. This one? Rhombus or diamond. This shape is a star. Circle. Our nursery rhyme this week is new. And it is, there wasn't a woman who lived in a shoe. Excuse me. And here's the shoe. Look at all the kids. There's a lot of kids. And here's the old woman. I think it looks like fun. They get to slide down the slide and climb down the laces. And it goes like this. There was an old woman who lived in a shoe. She had so many children, she didn't know what to do. She gave them some broth with plenty of bread. She kissed them all fondly and sent them to bed. Let's listen to that. And they have a little show. They act it out, which is fun sometimes with our nursery rhymes.
Mother Goose Club Playhouse. Old woman who lived in a shoe.
There was an old woman who lived in a shoe. She had so many children, she didn't know what to do. She gave them some broth and a big slice of bread. Kissed them all softly and sent them to bed.
He's sleeping in a drawer. That's silly. All right. I thought it was this one that I was bringing up. This is where they act it out.
Old woman who lived in a shoe.
There was an old woman who lived in a shoe. She had so many children, she didn't know what to do. She gave them some broth and a big slice of bread, kissed them all soundly, and sent them to bed.
See? There they are, acting it out. Acting out that nursery rhyme. That looked like fun. Well, thank you so much for joining us for Circle Time today. I've also uploaded a story, and we look forward to seeing you tomorrow if you're able to join us. Have a great day, and we miss you all. Bye.